It's something like pay now or pay later. Sure, many people are going to suffer if we raise energy prices and put on limits to growth, but that will be nothing compared to the suffering of people 50 to 100 years down the road if we don't take emergency action now. So that's the basic argument. Okay.
Nonsense.
Okay, why?
Okay, that's not what the science says. Okay? Let me start with, again, something pretty simple. Let's look at the last 120 years. Okay? Since 1900 to now, the globe has warmed about 1.3 degrees Celsius. In that time, we've seen the greatest improvement in human betterment we've ever seen. The population has gone up by a factor of 5 in that 120 years. The GDP per capita has gone up by a factor of 7. Longevity increased from 32 years to the current 72 years across the globe. Literacy fraction has gone up enormously. Fraction in extreme poverty has gone down, and so on, even as the globe warmed another 1.3 degrees. Now, the IPCC projects, best guess right now, about another 1.3 degrees of warming in the next 100 years. To think that that additional warming is going to reverse or even significantly derail the progress we've had is just nonsense. Okay? And in fact, the IPCC reports say that, at least on the economic front, a few degrees of warming is a few percent hit on the GDP.
Which will increase anyways, substantially over the next 100 years.
Yes.
Right.
So instead of going up by 400%, it'll go up 385%.
Right,
or something.
right.
Which is within the uncertainty, well within the uncertainty of prediction. So the notion of a climate catastrophe is just nonsense.
Okay, so I'm gonna
It
push
says
you.
it right there in the report.